Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to discuss ChatGPT and we are going to also see some of the demos. I'm going to give prompts to ChatGPT and we will see how it is responding. It's all very interesting and very nicely curated. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is launched by OpenAI and it was launched in the year November 2022. And importantly, GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is built, the entire chat GPT is built on the top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and is fine-tuned with supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. This is really amazing. ChatGPT was launched as a simple prototype on November 2022 and it quickly garnered attention for its detailed responses and importantly the ability to articulate answers across multiple domains of knowledge. So it is really stunning. Its uneven factual accuracy was identified as a significant drawback, but still at this level, if something can respond to you real time, that's great. So it can be forgiven. They are still improving. I'm sure it will be better in the future. ChatGPT was fine-tuned on top of the GPT 3.5 using supervised learning as well as reinforcement learning, as I already told you. Both approaches used human trainers to improve the model's performance. So remember, we play a vital role there in getting these kind of systems built and they perform well because of our contribution. OpenAI continues to gather data from the ChatGPT users. Means whenever you are using ChatGPT, right, you are actually feeding data and it's going to help them in improving the ChatGPT. The users are allowed to upload or download the responses they receive from ChatGPT, making it a learning for the ChatGPT and it's going to be real fun for you. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how exactly it responds to a few of our queries. You need to go to Google, type ChatGPT. The link is chatgpt.openai.com. And the moment you register, you have to register. So the moment you register for it, you get a page like this. This is the login page. You can type your questions here. The moment you get into the page, you get a space here to type your questions, and it's really interesting. I got some questions typed here, so I'm going to paste that for your reference quickly to see how it is responding. Can you build a machine learning model to classify cats and dogs? Right? I have asked that question and it is giving me an answer right instantly. Yes, it is possible to build a machine learning model to classify cats and dogs. One common approach is to use CNN. See, this is technically so very strong in terms of answers. Let me go to the next question. I have asked some questions which are pretty new as well. I mean, the area itself is very new, but it is still able to answer. Can you tell me what is AutoML, which is a no-code, low-code platform? Yes, it is giving the reply. You can see that it's end-to-end, very nicely designed, and the answers are really good. And sometimes it does fail for the questions which cannot be understood by it, but that's fine. It will evolve. See the way it is answering, and it's real super fast. Let's go to the next question. Can you tell me how Hugging Face can be used to build deep learning models? This is our next question. Let's complete the first question. Yes, it's done. I'm going with Hugging Face right now. It's also recent. Let's see if it is answering. Yes, it's coming with answer. Amazing, isn't it? So you can even ask questions which can be about the interview preparation. You can generate the codes here. For example, if you want to generate a Python code for a particular problem that you are solving, it can help you in generating that too. Can we see if it is going to work out that way? The next question is all about Hugging Face again. I'm asking you a question if Hugging Face can be used for NLP applications. Once this is done, we can go with it, or we have the use option to stop generating. So I'm going with the next question right now, and you could see that it's going to get the reply immediately. It is talking about the transformers. We have got transformers available, right, which you can reuse. The models available in it can be reused, and that's what it is saying. Let me stop generating. We'll go to the next question. What is confusion matrix? How do we use it? Many of us do not know a very clear answer for it in a concise way, but let's see if this guy is giving that. Yes, we are getting answer, and that's very accurate too. Try it out, and this can help you in interview preparation. You can make it really interactive. I'm asking a question about Intel One API right now. So let's see if it is answering that question. What is Intel One API? Perfect answer. It's a unified programming model for developing applications across CPU, GPU, FPGA, and any other accelerator. Yes, that's very nicely done. Can you differentiate IoT and IIoT? We will see that. Yes, we will see if it is going to give us a response. Yes, it's getting a response very clearly, and this is amazing, isn't it? Right out. We will get a fake data set generated where we will see the possibilities of how it is going to work. So I'm getting a fake data set generated with the details of employee, salary, and work hours. I need it for my machine learning model or something like that. So I'm asking it if it can generate it. Yes, we will get it hopefully. Yes, I'm sorry, but as a language, I'm not able to generate data sets. However, I can provide you an example with how a fake data set with employee salary work hours might look like. See, amazing reply it is giving you. It's really great reply, and you can learn a lot out of it actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it a question as in if it can get me a Python code generated for addition of two numbers. I'm going to ask it right now. So it will give me the code, I believe. Can you get me a code to add two numbers with Python? So at times you will feel that this is slow. That's because too many users are using it parallelly, and that's the reason they are saying that it's slow. So you have to adjust with the speed and related issues. It will definitely get better. I'm sure about that. So let's wait for the response. Here you go. You got the code. Here is the code that allows you to add two numbers with Python. That's it. It's very simple and easy to use, right? You can even copy the code. So if you have an assignment, if your teacher has given, go ahead, write out here. That's going to get you the results, and you can learn a lot from this. You can prepare for the interview, and you can make sure that the chat GPT acts as an interviewer, and it's asking you a lot of interactive questions, and you can prepare yourself well. This is a great opportunity for you folks. Write out, and if you have any questions around it, let me know. I'll be very happy to learn and answer your questions. If you like the channel, the content, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much.